It was just a company that you wanted to put money into and you didn't want to take it out of because the returns were so great.
Father of three David Kane invested $2,500 in a website called secureinvestment.com. The site promised massive returns, averaging more than 1% every day. Profits so good, people from all over the world invested millions. But in May this year, it simply vanished, and so did most of the money, including David Kane's. We set out to find where it went. Investors from around the world wired their funds here to a branch of the Hellenic Bank on the island of Cyprus. During the second half of 2013, more than $5 million flooded an account here, registered to Smart Integrity Limited. The company dissolved soon after, leaving various links scattered all over the world. A PO box in the British Virgin Islands, an office in London, a company secretary in the Seychelles, and a registered owner living in Latvia. Customers say they also sent money to accounts in St. Vincent, Lithuania, Poland, and the Seychelles. But it was Cyprus that the scammers seemed to prefer. Long a historic crossroads between East and West, in recent decades the island became a magnet for foreign money.
Money laundering is becoming a very easy way to do things for those companies, because money laundering was a major problem in Cyprus.
Marius Mavrides, an American-educated expert in Forex, is a member of the Cyprus Parliament's Finance Committee.
We had all the necessary regulations, but the regulatory bodies were very weak, the regulation was very weak, and they didn't uncover any cases.
Secure investment was no different. Cypriot accounts used in the scam were closed by bank compliance officials, who reported their suspicions to the country's money laundering unit. But that unit, known as MOCAS, prosecuted nobody, and the funds left Cyprus. As the economy here teetered last year, surviving banks desperately sought new business, sometimes without enforcing the rules meant to protect depositors and investors.
The procedures are there. It's not changing the procedure will change something. It's the practicing attitude, if you want, mentality of the Cypriots to check their client and follow the procedures of the law.
Financial regulators in Latvia, Poland and the Seychelles have started their own investigations into bank accounts linked to secure investment. But the web of anonymous shell companies and complex international transactions will provide a challenge.
I mean, it's like trying to chase a fart in a windstorm. You're never going to catch it. You know, you don't know where these people are. And who's gonna do it?
The US Department of Justice has recently begun looking for those people, a process that may well lead them here to Cyprus.